In this short and basic video guys, today I will show you how to change margins in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So here guys, you have to see the tab page layout, click on it, then here margins, click on it, you can select any margins from here, narrow, wide, normal or custom margins. So once you select custom margins, you can set your desired margins like 1 inch, 0.5, 0.3, whatever you need here. You can change from different area like left, top, bottom and right. Also you can set the margins for header and footer. You can set also different margins for different size. Preview here. So this is the way you can change margins in Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching.